So today we are going to do an experiment. This is a battery. Here's the on-off switch, the receiver, and the controller. So the experiment is because Noman, who is making the video right there, he saw these cables and he was very apprehensive about these cables, that the cables coming out of the battery are very thick while the rest of the cables are very thin. So are they going to get hot? Are they going to catch fire during the flight? So this is something he wanted to test. So we built a contraption today, as you can see. So we have installed 5 servos, and each servo we have put some load on that using multiple rubber bands. So what we are going to do is we are going to put load on all these servos at the same time, and then we are going to check whether this cable it gets hot or not. So this is the experiment for today. So here we go. We first turn on the switch. So the receiver is on. Now we turn on. As soon as we turn on the radio, all these servos are going to stretch these rubber bands and they are going to take the load. So we are going to check whether what happens. Oscar.
Transmit. Yes.
There. So the receiver is green now. It is receiving, and all these servos are taking the load. The load is approximately 3 kgs over here, which is 4 centimeters from the center of the servo. So this means the load is 3 kgs multiplied by 4, which is equal to 12 kgs on each servo. So these are now on continuous load. Although in the aircraft these servos don't go on a continuous load like this all the time. So this is probably the maximum load that we are going to put on these servos. That is what we believe. And now we are checking what is going on with these servos and with the cable. So the cable is cold, battery is cold, receiver is fine, absolutely no issue. If we check the temperature on the servos, then right now all the servos are cold. I think we can pause here and we can restart after approximately 5 minutes and then tell you whether anything gets any warmer. Okay, so after 5 minutes, the situation is that the battery is cold. There is no sign of these cables getting warm. No sign of these cables getting any warmer. Receiver is absolutely fine. However, these servos are getting a bit warm now because of course they are on a continuous load for the past 5 minutes, and each servo is actually this servo is 12 kgs. This is approximately 8 kgs, 12 and 8. So the total weight right now is like 36 plus 16. So this is the load and this is the experiment. So the experiment can prove now, and we can be very sure that these cables are going to be fine in the air and there will be no problem. And now I think Noman is also very happy, so I can hold. So as far as the switch is concerned, everything is cold. So I can maybe take the video and check with Noman if he's satisfied or not. So here you go. So Noman.
Okay, so we thought that this is going to be the weakest link because you can see that the wires are getting thinner. And now after like 5-10 minutes, we have checked it and the cables are cold. So
Yeah.
I think we are good to go.
we're good to go. So this whole setup is going to be on the top one, the Yak 55.
Yeah, 55. Yes.
Okay,
Thank you so
Noman, so you're happy now?
Yes.
Oh, okay, great.
Thank you.